Ever wondered if those sleek, all-in-one home phone systems are still relevant in the age of smartphones and unlimited data plans? Today, we're diving into the world of Ooma, a popular choice for home phone solutions. Does Ooma still hold up? Let's find out. Flashback to the early days of Ooma. Remember when Ooma first hit the market? It was a game changer, offering affordable, high-quality voice calls with a modern twist. But has time caught up with this innovative technology? Highlight Ooma's key features. Let's recap what made Ooma so appealing in the first place. From its sleek design to its advanced features like call blocking, voicemail to email, and the ability to use your own number, Ooma offered a compelling alternative to traditional landlines. Addressing common concerns. Is Ooma still reliable? One of the biggest concerns for potential Ooma users is its reliability. Has Ooma's performance remained consistent over the years? We'll delve into customer reviews and real-world experiences to assess its reliability. How does Ooma compare to VoIP alternatives? With the rise of VoIP services like Google Voice and Vonage, how does Ooma stack up? We'll compare features, pricing, and overall value to help you decide which option is best for your needs. Does Ooma work with smart home devices? In today's connected home, compatibility is crucial. Can Ooma integrate with your smart home devices, such as smart speakers or security systems? We'll explore its compatibility and potential benefits. Real-world testing. Setting up Ooma. Let's walk through the process of setting up an Ooma system. We'll cover everything from hardware installation to software configuration, highlighting any potential challenges or hiccups along the way. Testing call quality. Once Ooma is set up, it's time to put it to the test. We'll make calls to various locations and assess call quality factors like clarity, volume, and echo cancellation. Evaluating additional features. Let's explore some of Ooma's additional features, such as call blocking, voicemail to email, and the Ooma app. Do these features work as advertised, and do they provide added value? Weighing the pros and cons. Based on our testing and research, we'll summarize the pros and cons of using Ooma in 2023. Is it still a viable option for home phone needs, or have newer technologies surpassed it? Recommendations. For those considering Ooma, we'll offer our recommendations based on different usage scenarios. Is Ooma suitable for everyone, or are there specific groups of people who would benefit most from it? So, does Ooma still work? Our conclusion is, insert your final verdict here. Whether you're looking for a reliable home phone solution or simply want to explore the latest technology, Ooma offers a unique proposition. If you've used Ooma or are considering it, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Share your experiences in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.